Welcome to the 4th episode of Dad and Chooka's Wild Adventures.
Gonna check out a waterfall.
So we're on our way to a destination. I even dressed up in a tuxedo. And I thought I'd tell you a little bit about how it all started. As we see the $1 million view. So basically this whole Dad and Chooka's Wild Adventures, it all started when me and my parents were just out for a bit of a drive, and I thought I'd get some Instagram videos. So we were shooting all these fun little things, and I wanted to show Mum and Dad. So I ended up just editing it together into a bit of a YouTube video, and we thought, oh, that's great, let's stick it on YouTube. So we put it on YouTube. We got some great comments, didn't we, Dad?
Yeah, we did.
Yeah, it was.
Stop.
Yeah. It was a lot of fun, so I just decided, oh well, I'll just film this normal in landscape mode and get a bit of a series. So episode number 4, the Dad and Chooka's Wild Adventures thing. And yeah, that's how it all started. Too slow. I love this little road, eh? It's kind of like a bit of a racetrack.
Yeah, never get sick of it.
Yeah. Plus there's no cops out here. So hay season over here in South Australia, and they're bailing up.
Pretty exciting, isn't it, mate?
Isn't it?
Wales?
Yeah.
That's pretty wild.
Another wild adventure. Just going. Just going. No one waves to you when you're straight out of the country, Dad. I reckon country people are happier because they always wave, you know, when you're out in the country, but they never wave back in the city.
A bit more relaxed in the country.
Yeah, yeah.
When they're imagine waving to everyone that went past in the city.
Yeah, that would be a bit hectic, I suppose. And there we go. There is the secret behind the scenes solar plant for the Agenda 201. They're going to create a big short circuit in the world's power supply and turn everyone into zombies. All the other kids with the pumped up kicks better run, faster than my bullet. Stopping for fuel. G'day.
Get rid of that camera.
Alright, it's number 4, thanks. Got it.
That's nice.
Yeah. You know what my favourite thing about travelling is, Dad?
What's that?
Getting lost.
Yeah, we're pretty good at that.
Yeah. You always find a new spot that's really cool that you haven't seen before.
Yeah.
So it only happens if you drive outside your comfort zone and get a bit lost sometimes.
We're not lost, we just don't know where we are.
Right. I think it's straight up from here. What in the heck is this? Thomas Foods Facility. There's a big structure out there. Oh, that I just missed because you turned around. So this is what it tends to look like coming up to summer. Just brown. Yeah, brown. To be honest, that's exactly the way I like it. G'day, 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 g'day. So we're coming up to the bridge. Feels like they've been doing road work on this for years. You know that spot you just go and they're always bloody doing road works. So, Waterfall is not very far around the corner, so. Yeah, this is the one. Oh, here we are. There we go. Man and Waterfall. waterfalls this way.
Well, hopefully there's some water in it.
Yeah. What do you reckon? Should we have our cuppa at the end of the waterfall or like before we go?
Well, we could have one before we go and one when we come back.
Oh, actually, that sounds like a tops idea. Yeah. You know how far it is?
I've got no idea. Just keep walking and turn around if we're going too far. If it starts getting dark.
Yeah. It's a nice little trail, eh?
Yeah. Nice stones.
Oh, they're gorgeous. Lovely.
Plenty of
Just
you know.
put them on the mantelpiece. Which way is it, left or right? We got two tracks there. What are you supposed to do now?
Fork in the road.
Yeah. Left or right? I reckon
Yeah.
this way. That looks like where the hills are.
Okay. Who would have thought this was here? It's a very dry area.
Yeah.
You get this lush little creek, or I'm not sure if it's a creek or a river, but it's
Yeah, no, it's a hidden little gem, isn't it?
probably walked a kilometre now.
Yeah, probably. Looks like there's something exciting coming over this hill. Check that out.
Wow.
Had to be some kind of epic flood or something that did that.
Yeah, that's amazing. You wouldn't expect it to be here.
Yeah. Wow.
Look at that rock there sticking up straight up.
Yeah. Imagine if that just suddenly slipped and you were having a picnic down there, Dad.
Yeah. Picnic would be over.
Oh, wow. That's seriously cool. Look at that. Oh, awesome. These steep rocks to get down here now.
This is a real hidden gem.
Yeah, it is.
Chooka's down at the beach.
Beautiful. Bit hot wearing a tuxedo down here, Dad.
Yeah, it's the wrong occasion, I think. This is amazing. Such a dry area, you wouldn't expect to find this.
Yeah.
It's really tucked away.
Yeah.
Wonder if there's any gold in here, Phil.
He'd definitely be able to find that out sooner or
Yeah,
later.
he would if he was here.
Yeah. So there's some serious parkouring that needs to happen on this trail. Are there? Oh, there are two. Yeah, right. Have we gone the wrong way? I don't know how we're going to go over these rocks.
Chooka's up there now, I've just got to follow him.
That's where I just climbed from, right down there. Could have told us how long the trail was going to go, Dad.
Well, it might have on the road, but I didn't look.
This is what we call mountain goat country. It's got a couple of signs here. It's got upper falls and lower pools. I think we're going to take the mountain goat trail, Dad. Stocking up on carbs. Yeah, it's it, eh?
And I'll be dragged along behind.
Rightio. Whew. Steep. I think it's time for a pit stop, Dad. That was hectic. That's a good shot. Well, it feels like we've arrived somewhere, but I think we've got to keep going.
Oh, that must be the Waterfalls down where you came from.
Let's have a look. All right. Oh, what a view! Yeah, no. Dad's telling me not to fall off. Probably a good idea. But imagine living over there. Beautiful. Wow, that's awesome. And we're at the top of something. I guess we go this way now, don't we? Hell yeah. This is cool. Oh, I think the waterfall's this way.
Okay, let's go.
It's there.
See it from over here.
Yeah.
Look at the patterns on that rock, Chooka.
Wow. Yeah, that is cool.
That's different.
Yeah. Almost looks like wood.
It does, yeah.
Petrified wood or something.
Dark grains running through.
Yeah. Cool. Yeah, that's cool down here.
Yeah.
Hey!
It's all foaming down there.
Yeah. So, that's the waterfall. How exciting! little bit more wild than our other adventures, eh, Dad? We might have our cuppa now. This is the top of the falls. Nice clear water here. Beautiful. And yeah, just some little ponds. Heap of big jagged rocks, good for parkour and breaking your ankles. That looks like it'd make for a little nice dip in there. From someone's been throwing their apples out. How could you? We're talking about the sustenance of life here. Tell you what, we should have brought water. We didn't bring water. They didn't tell us how long the trail was going to be. Didn't think it was going to be very long. Just splashed my face in the water, feeling a bit better. How's your hydration levels going, Dad?
Oh, not too bad. I had a big apple on the way.
Oh yeah, so did I. I'm still thirsty though. Billy Bagtail. So this is the view from the other side of the mountain. The other side of the mountain. The other side of the mountain was all that he could see. Ba-da-ba-da-ba-da. Ba-ba-da-ba-da. The other side of the mountain. I didn't even realise Dad left. Hey Dad! I'm still over here. Hey Dad, you've become fly central. They're still there.
I don't know, mate.
That's funny.
You want to do another one?
Yeah, okay. Okay. I thought that was a great thumbnail. Thanks for tuning in to the 4th episode of Dad and Chooka's Wild Adventures. I was a little more wild than the rest of them. If you did enjoy the video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Helps more people see it. And if you know Dad alright, then leave us a comment. Let us know you're there. And we'll see you next time. Cheers.